What is this?
Volcano.
Volcano. What's your name?
My name is Zirasha.
Okay, you are in which class?
I'm studying in class 5B.
Class 5B.
Yes.
Okay, you are making.
Volcano eruption.
Okay, volcanic eruption. Volcano is inside or on top?
In top.
Okay. This is to. Oh, you'll show me.
Yes.
Okay. Will I have to run or what? Huh? When it bursts, I have to run for life, no? Or else I'll die, no? If I die, what will happen? Who will take me to hospital? See. Now this will burst, no? Okay. Volcanic eruption will happen. Wow. Wow. Okay. 108, get ready, okay? Wow. It's like this. It's like this. You two or alone? Three of you. How many days it took to make this?
9.
9 days. Wow. What are the things you use?
Clay.
Okay.
Plastic.
Okay.
Aluminum paper.
Okay. Why this battery is required?
And simply to bring
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good.